everyone and welcome back to my channel. I feel as if I'm giving myself like a real pat on the back here because I'm doing number 4, I think, of product of the week. I have finally got to do this series and have them uploading like every week. I don't know, that makes me kind of excited. But anyway, today I have picked, so I'm trying my hardest not to always put highlighter because highlight is honestly my favourite makeup product ever. I need eyebrows, so you could say that my favourite makeup product is eyebrows, but it's a bit boring. My favourite makeup product is highlighter. It just makes me so excited. This doesn't fall into the category of highlighter, it falls into the category of eyeshadow, and I have been using them as eyeshadow and highlighter. If you've watched any of my videos prior to this, you might have already seen me use these, and they are the Tarte Chrome Pots. I have the shades Martini and Top Yacht. These are my product of this week, however I have been using them absolutely non-stop since I've got them. My mum and dad got me these for my birthday on the 1st of July, so I actually had them away on holiday with me, and I have to say that I did pretty much have one of these on my eyes every night, and also Top Yacht as my highlighter. Let me just give you a closer look at them. This one is Top Yacht and they come like this. They're almost like a pressed pigment. They say chrome paint shadow pots. When I received this one, it was all crumbly, and actually if you turned it upside down it all fell out. I got Martini at the same time and it came more like this. I'm going to give you a close up and show you the difference in them. So you can see that's more like a solid product, and obviously when you tip it upside down nothing comes out. When you touch them they feel almost like wet and sort of like cushion like. You can see them move inside the pot. So when I got this one it was like all powdery. I actually contacted Tarte and asked them if it was meant to be like this. They are meant to come pressed and solid, however the more you use them and the more you move them about they do become more loose. So what I did was actually like push all this in with a brush and just put a coin in it and completely flatten it. So I have actually put it back together and it works absolutely fine. So let me show you Top Yacht. So it comes onto the finger like this, as you can see, like super intense, and it swatches like this. So it's just so intense, and you can see that that would be a good highlight shade. And now I'll show you Martini. So this is more like a browny gold sort of shade, or like maybe it's got a hint of green. I'm not very good at describing colours, but that's it there. As you can see, it is super intense, and I'm actually wearing it on my eyes today, so I'll bring you in and let you have a look. I've got it kind of right in the middle here, and I just used a dry brush to apply that. As I said, I do have that on my eyes at the moment, and I wore both of them on my eyes. But what I'm going to do is I actually topped up this side of my highlighter with Top Yacht, so I'm just going to top up this side just so that you can see how it applies as well. So I've just actually picked up a big fluffy brush and I'm going to apply it with this. And with it being so intense, you do have to like blend it out a little. So you do go in with a light hand. I was a little bit heavy handed there because as you can see it's so intense. I also have Top Yacht on my inner corners and my brow bone highlight. They are absolutely beautiful, and a little does go a long way. These retail for £19 each. I would say that that's quite a lot of product. They are quite big tubs. You get 3 grams of product in each pot, and it was £19 as I said. I'm pretty sure that my mum bought these when they were doing the, I don't know, was it friends and family discount or the VIP sale where we had 25% off. So if you manage to get them at that sort of discount, I think that that is actually a great price for them. I will be adding every colour to my collection because I honestly love them that much. The price that I quoted there was from Tarte Cosmetics UK website, and obviously you can get discounts, and if you spend so much you get free P&P. Usually they do this like every other month. QVC UK do have some Tarte products, but I don't know what they have, so as I said, you're better off just going straight to the Tarte website. If you're enjoying this series of videos, please leave me a little comment below. Some feedback would be appreciated. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Bye.